Quinoa is an edible grain-like seed which comes from a plant which has been grown for thousands of years around the Andes Mountains in South America. Quinoa health benefits are impressive, thanks to its nutrient-dense makeup. Quinoa offers an array of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in every serving. Let's look at the top 10 health benefits of quinoa. 1. Protein rich with amino acids. As we all know, the primary feature of a healthy diet is protein. The essential macronutrient is ideal for muscle growth, recovery, brain function, and overall health. One of the major quinoa health benefits is its high proportion of protein, coupled with the dense fabric of amino acids. There are 9 amino acids which are referred to as essential, as your body cannot produce them and needs to obtain them through your diet. Quinoa contains all 9 and is referred to as a complete protein. Studies have also shown that quinoa contains more and better protein than most grains. With 8 grams of quality protein per cup, quinoa is an excellent plant-based protein source for vegetarians and vegans. 2. Heaps of fiber. Another of the major quinoa benefits is the food's high fiber content. One study found that across 4 different varieties of quinoa, there was a range of between 10 and 16 grams of fiber per 100 grams. While that doesn't sound like much, but it's roughly double that of most grains. 3. Tons of iron. As a general rule, most people don't get enough iron. One quinoa health benefit is its dense concentration of the mineral, which offers around 30% of your recommended daily intake. One thing to consider, however, is that it also contains a substance called phytic acid, which can reduce iron absorption. By soaking the quinoa prior to cooking, you can reduce the phytic acid content and make the iron more easily absorbed. 4. Full of lysine. Another often overlooked amino acid is lysine. The essential amino acid is used to form carnitine, a substance found in most cells of your body. One major quinoa benefit is the high-quality lysine stores found in each cup. The acid helps to transport fat across your cells in order to be burned for energy. Increasing your quinoa intake may help your body to better regulate energy stores and fat deposits, making you feel more alert and active during the day. 5. Low glycemic index. Your glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels, so eating high glycemic index foods, such as sugar, can spike your energy levels before falling. In the case of the quinoa plant, the low glycemic index carbohydrate will provide you with longer-lasting energy over a sustained period, ideal for daily consumption. 6. Rich in magnesium. Similar to iron, the quinoa nutrition makeup is heavy on magnesium. This mineral is critical for muscle recovery and overall wellness, as it aids in the stimulation of muscle fibers. Once again, look to soak the quinoa prior to cooking to remove the phytic acid. 7. High in flavonoids. While it's no surprise foods that are rich in nutrients and vitamins are good for you, the health benefits of quinoa go beyond this. As quinoa is a plant seed, not a grain, the food has a high proportion of plant-specific antioxidants known as flavonoids. Among them, quercetin and camphorol have been found to be extremely beneficial, due to their anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antidepressant properties. 8. High in antioxidants. Quinoa is extremely high in antioxidants, which is a major health benefit. These substances are believed to help fight aging and protect the body against a number of challenging diseases and illnesses. 9. May help you lose weight. It goes without saying, but in order to lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than you consume. Certain foods are better at promoting weight loss than others, and one of the major health benefits of quinoa is the metabolic impact. Being high in protein, quinoa nutrition research shows that the food can both increase metabolism and reduce appetite significantly. Further, the rich density of fiber can make you feel fuller for longer, which may work to suppress your appetite, making you eat fewer calories. 10. Gluten-free. The most hated of all the food groups, gluten has copped a pretty bad rap over the past few years. In fact, in the US alone, around 1/3 of people are trying to reduce their gluten intake, which is a major reason why quinoa is picking up traction. The ancient grain has proven to be a suitable alternative for people who are gluten intolerant and cannot eat bread and pasta. Similarly, eating quinoa over typical gluten-free ingredients like refined tapioca, potato, corn, and rice flour can dramatically increase the nutrient and antioxidant value of your diet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 surprising tamarind seed health benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.